drowning in a sea of contacts and struggling to send the right message to the right customer? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm Wati, and I'm going to show you how to create and use tags in Wati to organize your contacts, streamline communication, and boost engagement. This video will be short and sweet, so let's get started. First, log into your Wati account and navigate to the Contacts section on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your contacts are stored. Now, select the contact you want to tag. You can do this by clicking on their name. Once their profile opens, look for the Add Tag button, usually located near the contact details. Go ahead and click on it. A window will pop up allowing you to create a new tag. Type in a descriptive name for your tag. For example, if the contact is a VIP customer, you might name the tag VIP. Be specific and consistent with your tag naming. After typing the tag name, click Save. You can apply multiple tags to a single contact. This allows for highly granular segmentation. For instance, a customer could be tagged as both VIP and interested in product X. Now, for the magic, when sending a broadcast message, you can filter your contacts by tag in the broadcast settings. Find the section for selecting recipients and choose the option to filter by tags. Select the tag you want to target, and only contacts with that tag will receive your message. This ensures that your messages are highly relevant, improving engagement and driving better results. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and use tags in Wati. Start tagging your contacts today to unlock the power of targeted messaging. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wati tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.